Protecting employees from contagious viruses at industrial sites is very challenging, especially without access to geospatial information that highlights interactions between personnel and their movements across affected facilities. Hexagon Situational Awareness solutions can be used to help mitigate viruses with the effective tracking of employee movements and the management of geospatial zones across industrial facilities. To demonstrate this, using Luciad as the main user interface, a virus-stricken industrial plant can be navigated to and viewed in a web browser. On the left side, there are themes related to operations and maintenance, and these can be interacted with and visualized. To highlight potential virus hotspots and to maintain regular sanitization, geospatial zones can be created to section areas of the site. Notifications to personnel can be triggered from geospatial zones, for example, indicating that a couple of plant units are overdue for sanitization. For clear visibility, geospatial zones are shown in different colors, such as red for unsanitized, orange for sanitization overdue, and green for sanitized. Additional information related to these geospatial zones can also be interfaced from mobile applications being used by connected workers, such as J5 Mobility, Exalt Mobility, and other industrial task management software. Plant management can monitor employees based on health screening data, such as last recorded body temperature, if they are or were experiencing any respiratory symptoms, and their last site visit information. An alert can also be triggered when a person enters an unsanitized geospatial zone. In this demonstration, due to an ongoing virus pandemic, this industrial facility has introduced social distancing restrictions. To monitor and enforce this more effectively, an alert can be triggered when plant personnel violate any social distancing rules. Plant management can also analyze the historical movements of infected workers. If an employee is diagnosed with a virus, plant management can analyze their movements for the last 14 days in order to help identify other potentially exposed individuals. The movements of all personnel on site on any day, both infected and uninfected, can be thoroughly analyzed. If an uninfected employee was near an infected employee, they can be automatically identified as potentially infected. To help mitigate the risk of a virus spreading further, plant management could quickly generate a social distancing rule violation report, which clearly identifies employees who could be potentially infected, and then take necessary actions to ensure the health and safety of all employees. Using heat maps in Luciad, plant management can again simulate the movement of infected employees over the last 14 days to identify potential virus hotspots that require to be quarantined or thoroughly sanitized by specialists. Using live video feeds, plant management can monitor field operations and can even see a 360-degree view when using drone imagery. Video analytics can also be used to assist in the mapping of other safety-critical events, such as fire incidents or oil spills. Live video feeds can also be used to monitor employee health screening procedures at the site entrance. Data collected from thermal imaging cameras measuring body temperatures can be interfaced to Luciad, enabling the triggering of alerts to plant management when anomalies occur.